friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change DNS settings on Windows 11. So if you're using a Windows 11 computer and you want to change your DNS settings, follow these simple steps to see how to do it. So all you have to do, click the Windows key in your keyboard and simple type in Control Panel. You want to go to your Control Panel and open that. Now, in case your control panel view is not looking like mine and it might be showing, for example, something like a small icons, then all you have to do is just simple go ahead and switch it to large icons. Right now, from here, you want to simple click on Network and Sharing Center. And then from here, you want to click on Change Adapter Settings on the upper left hand side. Now from here, you want to see which connection that you're using and whether or not you're using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, you just want to right click on whichever one you're using and simple click on the properties. So once you right click on properties, then you want to go to your IPv4, which is the Internet Protocol version 4. So you want to click on that and then you want to click on properties. Now from here, you will see that you will have the option that you can change the DNS settings. Now as you can see, mine is obtained automatically. So all you have to do now is just choose the option that says use the following DNS server addresses. Now if you click on that, you can type here. Now before I type in any DNS server addresses, I want to share with you two of the best ones that you can use. Now you can either use the Cloudflare one or the Google one. So you can simply go to your browser, go to google.com and type in, for example, Cloudflare DNS, and you can open up the Cloudflare DNS, or you can go to Google and type in Google DNS. Now this is the one for Google DNS. It is 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, and the Cloudflare DNS, it is the 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1, and I'll put these within the description of the video. So I'm going to use, for example, this Cloudflare one, and I'm going to enter the details there. So what you want to do, you want to simply type in 1.1.1.1, and the second part 1.0.0.1, and you can always double check to ensure that you have the correct thing. So 1.1.1 and 1.0.0.1. So once you go ahead and you fill in all of that details here, just simple click on OK, then close, and your new DNS settings is now set. So guys, that's how you easily go ahead and change DNS settings on Windows 11.